The execute line indicator is currently available for a variety of different trading platforms on the official TradingFinder website. Traders can conveniently download the indicator file specifically designed for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms directly from this section. Additionally, to better understand how it works and operates, they can carefully read this page about the indicator, which provides helpful explanations and guidance. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is running and actively operating on the chart, it immediately starts identifying, as well as displaying, both bullish and bearish trends that are present in the market. The execute line indicator is a unique, special, and highly practical tool that utilizes the moving average indicator in addition to the slope of the moving average in order to display and clearly show the trend direction directly on the chart. Here we can clearly see that when the price is in a bullish trend, the indicator line is displayed in a bright yellow color, making it easy to distinguish. And when the price enters a bearish trend, the indicator line is displayed in either magenta or red, depending on the settings. Here, I will change the line colors for improved visualization. Specifically, I will set the bullish line color to green, the bearish line color to blue, and also change the line thickness to 3, making the lines more visible. I set the indicator period to 36, and then I click the Confirm button to apply these changes. In this section, we can carefully observe that the bullish line is displayed in a bright green color, while the bearish line is shown in a clear blue shade. Traders can also utilize the indicator more effectively by entering their positions according to the main direction of the price trend in the market. It is currently forming a pattern of lower highs and lower lows. Whenever the indicator line shifts from an uptrend or green color to blue, we can consider entering a sell position in the market, and we should set our stop loss according to our specific strategy system. With risk-reward ratios of 1:1, 1:2, or even holding until the trend line is broken, this approach helps us manage trades more effectively. It changes back to the bullish color. We stay in the position, and after that we exit the position. In another section, we can clearly see that the price is making higher highs and higher lows, which is a classic sign of an uptrend, and whenever the indicator line changes from blue to green, we can enter a buy position in the market. We set our stop loss and set the take profit based on an R to R ratio of 1:1 or 1:2, or we stay in the position until the trend line of the indicator changes back to blue. We are inside the position. In the settings section, under the input tab, there are 3 different parameters available. In the very first input field, we can specify the calculation period length that will be used for the moving average indicator. In the second parameter, we can choose the calculation method for the moving average indicator from among 4 options: simple, exponential, smooth, and linear weighted. And finally, in the very last input, we can conveniently select the price basis for the calculation from among the following available options: close price, open price, high price, low price, median price, typical price, and finally, weighted price. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you kindly share your thoughtful comments and helpful suggestions with us in the feedback section.